Baoding Henglian Mechanical Company Limited is located in Baoding City, Hebei Province, China. We are an integrative enterprise specialized in manufacturing and trading all kinds of custom-made machinery parts as customers' drawings or samples. We can offer investment casting, sand casting, die casting, stamping, and forging with materials in a wide range of stainless steel, cast steel, alloy steel, heat-resisting steel, ductile iron, gray iron, malleable iron, and various non-ferrous metal. Being in OEM and ODM fields for more than 20 years, we have rich experience in chemical machinery parts, textile machinery fittings, mining machinery parts, agricultural machinery parts, train fittings, auto parts, marine accessories, electric power fittings, pipe fittings, floor drains, and so on. Our company covers a total area of 28,000 square meters and has 396 employees, among which there are 12 senior engineers and 38 technicians. We are able to carry out the whole casting procedure in sequence: pattern casting, pattern making, casting, heat treatment, surface finish, and machining. Advanced and complete facilities are well equipped, such as investment casting line introduced from Taiwan, spectrum analyzer imported from Germany, psychochemical laboratory, vacuum investment furnace, CNC machine center, etc. Our products have been exported to many countries, such as US, Canada, Italy, France, UK, Germany, Denmark, Poland, Australia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Burma, Pakistan, etc. Pursuing excellence, Cordially Corporation is our main objective. With rich experience, reliable quality, reasonable price, and delivery in time, we are looking forward to establishing win-win business relations with customers worldwide.
我公司是集生产贸易于一体的经营铸造件和机械加工件的企业，主要根据客户图纸和样件定做不锈钢等各种材质的机械配件，希望广大新老客户来中国做客，我们将以优质的产品和真诚的服务恭候您的光临，精诚合作，共创美好未来。